If you own a Canon M50 like I do, you'll be well aware that it doesn't come with a headphone jack. This is a major downside to this camera, as you can't monitor your levels while interviewing or while out on location. However, there is a trick to be able to monitor your audio while shooting through the Canon M50. So the trick to this is to get one of these. It's a Fulham lavalier microphone, and what it does is it comes with one of these transmitters, and in this transmitter, if you notice by here, there is a headphone jack. What I found out by using this product is you can't monitor the levels while recording, but what you can do is monitor the audio to make sure it's really crisp while coming into camera. So what that means is you can put your headphones in and listen out to any background noise or any unwanted noise in the background to be able to get the best quality sound you can while filming. If you'd like to give this a try for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out if you want to get one yourself. They're fairly cheap for lav mics, but the quality is really good on them. And I found using this method has helped me while filming interviews. This is a really handy trick to know because you can then take your Canon M50 and then monitor the levels with it, which are really important, getting quality sound while filming. I hope you liked this video. Please let me know if you liked it, and if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe and share it if you enjoyed it and you found it useful, and let me know if you want to see more of these videos. But until the next one, see ya.